Naughty nanny. Now. Hey y'all, welcome back to Team Anyone. Or 3E. World of Assassination. Naughty nanny, no. Smonk. Such a gay or sleek. No. What? No. No. Belly pepperies. No. Please it on the deep fryers. There are sausages and kebabis. Yeah, I think we should also worry about it not. Got an ICA flash phone. I think it might not be yours. Let's flash them. Hold on, let's get rid of this guy. Get rid of him. Get rid of him. And knock with this. Again. No, I cannot. Knock them up with the phone. It doesn't feel like what? Let's go kill Marv, maybe. Should we? Fine, let's go kill him. Because he sucks. Oh, he's in the eating place. Could have poisoned his wine. Let's kill him in an accident. No. Drop this. Can we shoot it from here? No. Cannot shoot it from here. Where is he gonna go? He's gonna go this way. Drop it here. And then shoot it. No, he saw that. He's not dead. Kill him. He saw that. No, I want to flash phone them. Let's disguise ourselves as somebody else. Quick. Get the chefy chef. Do not get over here, no. I go up the stairs, want to flash them, no. To restart the mission. Alright, fine. Mal. Fine, a train. Let's go. Let's lure this guy away. Go. Shift control number 1. Let's place down a flash phone. Let me kill both of them. Place this down. Maybe we'll shoot them both. Okay, bye.